As I was traveling home on the Gulf Freeway, traffic seemed to be moving smoothly, mostly doing the speed limit. As I approached the exit ramp to the Beltway, everything looked good in both lanes. However, as I got halfway up the ramp, I noticed brake lights coming on the left, and just in case, I let up on the gas, and then suddenly, boom, I hit the brakes. And he just hit that SUV. Had I been texting, odds are I wouldn't have stopped in time and been involved. But if you look at it again, there's just the moment he starts to come into my lane, I have just a couple seconds to react right there. And if I'm not on my brakes at this point, he and I are going to collide. So I have to say, texting and driving or any kind of distracted driving does not work well.